What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to a special edition of Matt's RV Reviews. Guys, today in this video, I have 3 major announcements. So, I'm gonna hop straight into it. Make sure you guys stick around for the whole video. Announcement number 1 is also the final announcement, so I'm gonna talk about it twice. Announcement number 1 is I'm here in Wixom, Michigan. By the way, the weather is absolutely beautiful and fantastic. I'm having a great time up here. I am hosting a meet and greet July 29th here at the Wixom store. It's going to be all day long. Guys, I got 7 key points that I'm gonna tell you about. So if you live in the Wixom area or in the Michigan area or anywhere close and you wanna stop by the meet and greet, please come on down. It's, again, July 29th. I will put the address down in the description below. It's gonna be like an RV show. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. I will fill you guys in just a couple moments, but first, I have 2 more less important announcements. So announcement number 2 is I got something right here. You guys ready? The first ever Matt's RV Reviews prime pooping position bobblehead. Now, obviously these aren't going to be an exact representation of me. Andrea said the body was a little skinnier, right? And I asked him to make it a little chubbier, but the body's a little skinnier. But Andrea said the head was an exact representation on how big my head is. So neither here nor there, guys. We have Matt's RV Reviews bobbleheads. Now, here's what we're doing. We are not going to be selling them. We're going to be hopefully having them at the Hershey RV show. So I actually need your help. I need your comments. 1, do you guys like the bobbleheads, right? 2, how should I give out the bobbleheads? I don't want it to be something that people buy. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be like a promotional gift. Something like an incentive, right? So here's my ideas. Let me know what your thought processes are. Like, number 1, if you're buying a new RV the week of the Hershey RV show, then, you know, you buy an RV at the Hershey RV show and you go home with the bobblehead, right? That's one idea I have. Another idea, obviously, we're gonna have Liquified at the Hershey RV show. Maybe if you buy like 2 or 3 bottles of Liquified, you get a bobblehead. Maybe we just do a raffle, and like every hour we raffle a bobblehead, or maybe we have a keyword, or maybe like a prize wheel or something. I want to think of something with the bobbleheads. Maybe we do all of the above. Maybe we do none of the above. I don't know. I need your help with that, with what the ideas are for the bobbleheads. That's announcement 2. I'm gonna tell you announcement 3 in just a second, but again, guys, I'm then gonna tell you more about this meet and greet, and you're not gonna wanna miss some of the awesome details that we have. So announcement 3 is what starts today. Liquified tablets are officially now on sale. If you guys go to primepoopingposition.com, you will now see that the easy to drop in pods are now available. I will also link them down in the YouTube description below. And if you search on Amazon, since it's a brand new product, it might be hard to find, but if you type in like liquefied pods and you scroll down, you're going to see them. Guys, thank you everybody. Everybody's been dying for these. I think the packaging looks absolutely fantastic. They come in 20 packs and 60 packs. And if you don't like the liquid, definitely try the pods. Also, something that I like about the liquid is that it doesn't smell super strong, whereas these do smell a lot stronger. So if you have like a little odor problem, or you need a little bit more punch behind your liquefied, definitely try the tabs. I know there are some people that I've already messaged that the liquid didn't work out too well for them, and I'm gonna be sending them some of the pods to see if that works better. The one thing you gotta remember, these are enzymes and bacteria, and everybody's poop and waste is different, so it doesn't always break down the right way for everybody. But that's what we're learning, and that's what we like to educate people on as well as we're going through our entrepreneurial ventures. Great, so back to business, back to announcement 1. Guys, Saturday, July 29th, Wixom, Michigan, General RV Corporate Headquarters. I'm going to be here. Andrea is going to be here. Will is on his way here. Becky will be here. Cosmo, my boss, will be here on site. We are here to meet every single person. If you are looking to buy an RV, you're definitely gonna wanna show up. But even if you're not looking to buy an RV, you're still gonna wanna show up. Here's why. We're gonna make it like an RV show, okay? So, this area right here, these parking spots, we're gonna set it up like a little, like the first ever little Matt's RV review show, okay? I'm gonna have a couple travel trailers. Hopefully my travel trailer will be here so everybody can go in. We're gonna have a few motorhomes, a few travel trailers, a few fifth wheels, you know what I'm saying? So if you're that type of person that doesn't want to waste a salesperson's time yet, come on down. That's what this is for. Also, I'm gonna be here showing people, Becky's gonna be here, everybody's gonna be here to help you. And then if you do want to see the additional 450 units that we have at the Wixom store, you can then go inside and get a salesperson. But this is definitely gonna be like the beginning stages, and this is where we're gonna be hanging out. And we are gonna be hanging out, and we're gonna have a food truck on site, y'all. So that's going to be an amazing time. If you are looking to buy, we are gonna have Matt's Cash show pricing. Not only that, it's July 29th, so it's the end of the month. So if you guys don't know how salespeople work, they go by a month-to-month quota. So these sales managers are gonna have to hit their quota, which is gonna help you get a phenomenal price. We're also gonna have deals over the phone. So I will be going live, or I will be having a video of my little showcase here. And so even if you guys can't make it to the Wixom store, if you call the internet department during that time, we will still have the meet and greet show pricing. Whatever you want to call it, guys, it's not called a show, it's called a meet and greet. Whatever you want to call it, we're gonna have it. Also, Cosmo said that we will have some camp package giveaways. We're gonna have a couple giveaways with like parts and accessories and everything. So it's going to be a good time. Also, if you guys have always wanted to be in a Matt's RV Reviews video, then come on down, because what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be filming my little show section right here. And I'd love to have your feedback on helping me do some of the videos. So I think that would be a lot of fun. And then RV meet and greet, food truck on site, opened up RVs up front and then 450 in the back, show pricing, deals over the phone, end of the month. Guys, and again, hopefully my trailer will be here so you guys will be able to see my exact Delta 262 RV. But guys, here's what I'm saying. It's going to be a ton of fun. I absolutely love this Michigan area. And yeah, I just can't wait to meet you guys. And when you guys are here, I'd love to talk to you a little bit personally about where do you live and what neighborhoods you live in, because I really like this area. And you know, I think it would be a smart idea if I bought a house up here and spent, you know, 5 months up here and 7 months in Florida. That way we're just chasing the nice weather. But guys, that's it. That's a little announcement video. Again, drop a comment on the bobbleheads. Let me know what you guys plan on doing, or no, let me know what you guys think we should be doing for the Hershey RV show. If we should, just what insight you think. And let me know if you guys are gonna try the new tabs. Again, thank you everybody who's been helping us along our entrepreneurial journey, or on our journey to become real entrepreneurs. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of weird. I don't consider myself an entrepreneur when it comes to Matt's RV Reviews, even though it is a business. I'm just Matt, you know what I'm saying? And I just make videos. But when it comes to Liquified, we are a real business, and we're going after some big industry people that do an amazing job. We're going after big industry people that do an amazing job, that sells lots of toilet chemicals. And it's really special to me that you guys are supporting me. And you're not just buying the product to support me, you're buying Liquified because after you used it once, you realized it really is a great product. And so then it's the best of both worlds. It's a great product, and you're supporting our entrepreneurial journeys. So what I'm trying to say is just thank you, everybody. Thank you absolutely everybody for watching the video. Comment down below, drop a comment if you and your spouse or your family, or if you're solo, is gonna come to the meet and greet. And I can't wait to see everybody this Saturday.